thinking about starting your Invisalign journey, or you've just started your treatment? Well, here are a few things that you absolutely need to know to get the best results from your aligners. In this video, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about your aligners, how long you should be wearing them, what you can and cannot eat or drink with your aligners on, how to clean them, important instructions, and simple tips and hacks to ensure that your Invisalign journey is easy. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rachita Guru, an orthodontist and an Invisalign provider, and I'm going to be your aligner bestie, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to ensure that you sail through your aligner journey. Now, while I'll be talking about Invisalign specifically, these instructions apply to clear aligners in general. So regardless of the brand of clear aligners that you're using, the rules remain more or less the same. Now, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Each aligner has a number engraved on it. U01 is the first aligner for your upper teeth and L01 is the first aligner for your lower teeth. Similarly, you have U02, 03, 04 and so on for your subsequent aligners. All aligners come in sealed Ziploc bags which are numbered. Do not open the bag until you're ready to switch to the next aligner. Now, the most important factor for the success of your Invisalign treatment is your compliance. You need to wear your aligners for at least 20 to 22 hours every day. Basically, you should have them on at all times except when you're eating, drinking anything other than water, and when you're cleaning them. Consistency is the key here. The more diligent you are, the quicker you'll see results. Failure to wear your aligners for the prescribed hours in a day will lead to your aligners not fitting properly. The fit of your aligners is honestly one of the most important parts of your treatment, right? So imagine this is your tooth and this is your aligner. You want that your aligner should fit nice and tight over the surface of your teeth, right? So only if it fits nice and tight will it be able to move your teeth efficiently and will you get the best results from your aligners. Now, for that to happen, you will need to use something called aligner chewies. Chewies are small pieces of this rubbery material that you bite on after you've worn your aligners, and they help to ensure that your aligners fit snugly over your teeth. Ideally, whenever you wear your aligners, you should be using your chewies, right? So in order for that to happen, you should have your aligners handy with you at all times. So I always recommend you to keep one chewy inside your aligner box at all times. Chewies are readily available on Amazon, so you can easily get it from there. Every time you put your aligners in, use your chewy and bite on it around each tooth to make sure that the aligner is properly seated and that there is no gap between the aligner and your teeth. The aligner should fit tight over the teeth so that there is no visible space between the edge of the teeth and the aligner when you are ready to change. Do not transition to the next aligner until all the gaps between your teeth and the aligners are resolved. Now make sure to check the fit of the aligner every single day in front of the mirror. The beauty of Invisalign is that there are no dietary restrictions like with traditional braces. However, there are a few simple rules that you need to follow while eating and drinking with Invisalign. Always remove your aligners before eating or drinking anything other than water. Your aligners are strong, but they are not designed to take the pressure of chewing. Colored beverages like tea and coffee can stain your aligners and can increase the risk of cavities. Do not have hot water with your aligners on. Your aligners might distort and might not fit later. Once you're done eating, brush your teeth before putting your aligners back in. If you can't brush your teeth, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. If you eat something and food gets stuck on or in between your teeth, then make sure to clean your teeth properly before wearing your aligners again, because if this happens repeatedly and food gets trapped underneath your aligners, it increases the risk of you getting cavities. Cleaning your aligners is super important to prevent any bacterial buildup and to keep them looking clear. Every time you remove your aligner, make sure to rinse it with running tap water, dry it and keep it back into the box. Make sure to clean your aligner with a soft toothbrush and a mild liquid soap at least once a day. Do not soak them in mouthwash as this can damage the surface of the aligner. Also, make sure to clean your aligner box daily. Now, when it comes to cleaning your aligners, you can always use aligner tablets, solutions and crystals which are very easily available on Amazon, right? So they just help to keep your aligner clean and fresh. Sometimes it can happen that your aligners turn a little yellow or lose their clarity over time, but I would not worry because the good news is that in a couple of days, you will anyway be changing to a new set of aligners as per the schedule given by your orthodontist. Most people experience tooth soreness for a few days after starting each new aligner. This is extremely normal and is a sign that your aligners are working and moving your teeth in the desired position. The soreness will gradually go away in a couple of days. In the meanwhile, take a soft diet along with mild painkillers for the first 2 days. Make sure to follow the schedule that we have planned out for you to avoid prolonging your treatment. After you complete the number of days for a certain set of aligners, clean them, dry them, and store them back into the original packaging. Sometimes during your treatment, we might ask you to return to your previous aligner, so it's important to store it carefully. Always carry your aligner case with you to safely store your aligners when you're not wearing them. Now imagine you're eating out at a restaurant, you remove your aligners and keep them in a tissue or a napkin. It might get accidentally thrown away. So make sure to store your aligners safely in the aligner case. Another thing that you should know is that you may have attachments on your teeth during your Invisalign treatment. Attachments are small tooth-colored bumps placed on your teeth that act like little handles that help your aligners grip your teeth and move them more efficiently. If 1 or 2 attachments happen to fall off, there is absolutely no need to panic. Your aligners are still going to work properly. Just make sure you inform your orthodontist so that they can decide whether your attachments need to be replaced or not. When you're traveling, only carry your required aligners plus 1 extra and the previous one. And that's everything you need to know about getting started with your Invisalign journey. Remember, wearing your aligners for the recommended time, making sure that your aligners and your teeth are well maintained hygiene-wise, and making sure that your aligners are seated properly by using Chewies regularly are the 3 most important takeaways from this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such dentist-approved tips and hacks. If you have any questions about clear aligners or Invisalign, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them for you. Bye and see you very soon in the next video.